So we all know that procurement's getting more complicated. We're dealing with more and more suppliers. In addition, we've got compliance requirements. We got risk, diversity, ESG goals that we want to drive. And software as a service is great, but it drives self-service spending, which is also complicated. So you have all these drivers in procurement that you have to address all these goals in your business, but you're also getting pressure from above. You're dealing with, a lot of us are dealing with budgets that are shrinking and headcount reductions. And so you have to do this and execute with incomplete data as well. You're dealing with multiple ERP and P2P systems that aren't connected. There's gaps in the data. And you really need other data as well beyond financial. You need other, utilization contracts, revenue data to really get your job done. And even external data about your suppliers. We're asked to know more about our suppliers and their supply chains in terms of risk, diversity, ESG metrics. So, you really need to take all this data and turn it into intelligence. That means getting fresh, accurate data integrated into a rich data model that represents your business, that you can really get a 360 view of what's going on. And if you think about it, intelligence is required to do pretty much every task in procurement. You need to know those payment terms to optimize payments and contract details. And if you're renegotiating a contract with a supplier, well, maybe that supplier is also a customer, so you need to know the revenue and what's the balance of trade and what's the risk with this customer, and are you even using the products and services they provide effectively? So if you're lucky enough to get your data into intelligence, well then, can every member of your team really use it? An expert can take a complex table or chart or graph and interpret that and make a decision, but what about the generalists on your team? So you need a system that will up-level those people as well and really lead them to that next best action and guide them through capturing really the value that's identified. And so you really want to turn that intelligence into opportunities that you can really assign to your team and then guide them through the process. So that's what we do at Suplari. So we take all your data from all your financial and other systems internally, connect it with external data as well, supplier metrics, but also maybe financial data. And we integrate that into what we call the Suplari unified data model. And so we give you great visibility into your data. We've got a great UI to view that data. But on top of that, we have a layer of agents that are constantly scanning your data, looking for actionable opportunities that we can surface to you. And we link those opportunities to guided workflow that you can assign to your team and measure their progress. So we can actually give you an ROI of the impact of Suplari as you take action against the opportunities we provide you. We have a variety of insights across multiple domains. We've got a great product, great team, and great customers. And we'd love to talk to you about how we can help you with your company. Come by Expo Hall 1 and we'll tell you more. Thanks.